Install the driver. Open the browser. Enter the official website by inputting www.procolored.com. Click Support, Resources and Downloads. Pull down to find P13 macOS. Find P13 Mac version. Software download. Allow. Check all the content and then click Download. Open the folder after the download is complete. Unzip the driver file. Open the driver installation package. Allow. Continue. Agree. Continue. Installation. Lock screen password. Install the software. The printer driver has been installed successfully.